Hey guys, so just came back from the ride and I just wanted to give you guys, this is going to be a short one. You know the windshields on these, they go crunch, 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 crunch all the time. Turn on some light in here. Alright, so what I did was open this up. I'm going to change it again, but grab one of these Velcros here and take off the side that's the smooth side, like not the rough, but the smooth. And I'm gonna redo mine because I just stuck it in there real quick to just do it, whatever. And we went for the ride and there's no more, and I did some plowing with this. I just wanted to test it out real good. And I'm gonna sit it down in there so it wraps on each side and in the bottom like in one piece. So basically you're gonna sink in the whole thing and then wrap it around. And it's nice and soft on the side of the Velcro where it sticks in. And then when you lock it in, like this is done half-fast quick just to make a test. When you lock it in there, there's no more, like, you look at the window in the corner here. Like, I'll turn on the light on right here. See, I can push it extreme and there's no more popping and cracking. Everything's done because of this cracking. It's in the middle here. So put something that's going to make us stick it there. So I found that the Velcro thing like this, because it's easy, basically you just, it's like a felt, like, and then you just bend it inwards so it slides in the middle and it's not going to rub anything or break anything. And that way there, it's a fix. So thanks for watching. I know this is a quick one, but I wanted to show you guys that annoying crunch, 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 crunch. And I did plowing, and basically with the plow, you're like in the ditch and plowing up, climbing up the bank to push the snow. No more cracking. I did the ride with in the bush and the pipeline and all that kind of stuff and everything. And there's no cracking or whatever. You totally forget about it. There's no more cracking. So if you bought this and you hear cracking, cut yourself a little section and add that Velcro, the smooth side or that sticks on there. That's what I did. I found that was the best. And you can get some black one like I did, and it just snugs everything. And there's no more noise. There's no more, which is annoying as hell. So catch you on the next one. Stop blabbing away and be safe out there. And more videos that are coming. Flashers are coming in Friday this week. So hopefully I get that video out this weekend. We'll be doing the slides. I don't know if we're doing the slides next weekend coming out, but we're doing the flashers, and hopefully the rock sliders come in and the front camera comes in soon, and we got other stuff coming as well. So bye for now, and be safe. Yeah, the light flashing, that's what you're asking. Anything that's LED that flashes in a camera looks like it's strobing. That's what the camera catches. Same thing when we turn on the backlight at the top. It looks like it's strobing, but it's not actually strobing. But anyways, we'll catch you on the next one like that. And bye for now. And thanks again for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Appreciate you all. And the more you subscribe, the more you watch, the more it encourages me to just keep bumping them up. So bye for now.